For over a century, the silhouette of a new car started purely as an aesthetic exercise. The traditional process began on paper, with illustrators locking in a visual concept before committing those lines to physical reality in the form of a clay model. During this entire concept phase, the studio enjoyed total creative control. They operated without any rigid structural constraints or aerodynamic compromises. The shape of the vehicle was completely defined and frozen in the real world long before anyone truly knew if it could survive an impact. Then came the barrier. The physical crash test was a violent, absolute event that served as the industry's most legitimate veto. The result was binary. The physical dummy inside either walked away or it didn't. But this reality check happened months after the initial design was signed off, often when production tooling was already being prepared for the factory floor. A failure here triggered mandatory reactive fixes. Engineers had to rapidly thicken the A-pillars, shift the sill positions, or alter the entire taper of the roofline. These forced adjustments routinely mangled the original lines the studio had spent months perfecting. Safety became a late-stage tax that punished original ideas, entirely because the hardest constraint in the building arrived too late in the timeline. Transitioning to digital simulations initially did little to fix the timeline. Early software presented a massive computational bottleneck. Standard physics solvers required over 15 hours on a supercomputer cluster just to calculate a single impact event. This chart shows how that bottleneck collapsed in late 2025. Machine learning physics models compressed that 15-hour render into a fraction of a second. With a 20,000 times speedup, a single standard processor can now predict the full structural deformation of a vehicle practically instantly. Regulatory bodies like Euro NCAP adapted immediately, writing these virtual tests into their protocols and replacing physical sled runs with data submissions. Safety validation went from a months-long physical ordeal to a calculation that finishes before a designer can even complete a sketch. This raw computational speed inverted the century-old timeline of vehicle creation. Now, a studio can simulate thousands of virtual impacts and secure a safety rating before a single piece of metal is ever pressed. This creates a pre-computed crash cage, a rigid, heavily optimized mathematical skeleton that serves as the new starting point for all modern architecture. The designer's job is no longer to invent a silhouette from a blank page. Their job is to drape a compelling skin over this pre-existing mathematical structure. The crash test no longer acts as the final veto. It is the foundational blueprint. The human benefit of this inversion is clear. Cars are now designed to be inherently safe from day one, rather than awkwardly retrofitted to save lives. But there is a hidden cost to this algorithm. These crash surrogates are trained entirely on a corpus of past conventional vehicles that have already survived physical testing. The system approves familiar load paths, but surrounds original shapes with stark red markers, labeling them as uncertain risks. Over thousands of runs, this bias compounds, pressuring designers to revert to proven, familiar structures. The algorithm's strict preference for certainty begins to dictate a homogenized style across the entire industry. To a machine learning surrogate, the safest-looking car of the future is exactly the one that looks like the cars of the past. A physical dummy failing a test was an unarguable fact. Now, safety approval is a negotiable number, with a confidence interval generated by a server. Human studios must aggressively take ownership of this virtual crash data during the absolute earliest concept phases. If they surrender this space to the algorithm, their creative intent will be quietly replaced by 1,000 tiny, cautious notes handed down by a machine. The genesis of a vehicle is no longer a block of clay. It is a hyper-optimized mathematical wireframe. The most important drawing in modern car design is one no human ever drew.